So let's make a process here, a giveaway with bitRaffle, a system where Bitcoin draws the winners. First step is to prepare your CSV file with the names of all of the participants. On this list, here we have 10 participants, with the first line with the name and participants just below. Then the second step is to upload these files to the platform. Then the file will be stored on IPFS and receive a unique and exclusive hash for it and a link for everyone to look to the file. The third step is to do the transaction on Bitcoin. The transaction in Bitcoin will contain the address of the file that is in IPFS and enabling for everyone to verify the content of the file through the transaction on Bitcoin. So the step for it is to store in the field of proper return in Bitcoin transaction this hexadecimal, which is simply converting the file address in IPFS to hexadecimal and insert on proper return. We'll put that in the script there in the Electron wallet, exactly the data you copied. You can name your transaction, its value is 0, so we will pay just only the transaction fee for miners to register this transaction. In our case, as soon as possible. So then how we are using the cold card wallet, we store this transaction to make it offline signature then. Okay, with the signed transaction, we will load the signed transaction now on Electron, here, all the data, and we already have the transaction ID. So just broadcast the transaction to the Bitcoin network, and we'll get the transaction ID. We'll go back to the bitRaffle and put the transaction ID for us to wait the confirmation on Bitcoin network. So here you can see it's not confirmed yet. And it's waiting, just click check transaction. And the system will do all the checks. When the transaction is ready, it will enable us to draw the winners. Now we do the process of upload the file. Again, let's get the transaction ID, put in the correct field. The system will check, it verifies the transaction is correct, and then we can draw the winners. Wilson is in the first place. So to verify the giveaway is very simple. We can go to Ian Coleman, where we can put the block hash as a BIP3039 seed. We can verify the public key generated is the same of the drawn. So to do the draw verification now, we will get the last eight digits here, and let's convert it to decimal numbers, from hexadecimal to decimal here. Pretty easy. Let's get the numbers. $80 digits. Here converts from hexadecimal to decimal. We have the decimal number now. Then we can use Google to calculate its module with the total of the participants. It gave us 4. We can go back to the spreadsheet and we'll count starting from 0. So let's see the position 4. Here's our winner, Charlie Wilson.